When we picture a safe school here in the Philippines, our minds usually go straight to the physical barriers. We look at the heavy iron gates, the security guards checking IDs, and the high concrete walls. For generations, we've measured security by what we can physically see, touch, and lock tight at the end of the day. It's the familiar routine of a teacher warmly greeting students in the hallway, or keeping a watchful eye over the rows of desks during an afternoon class. These physical safeguards are necessary for real-world threats, but they can create a misleading sense of security. Stepping inside the courtyard doesn't mean a student has left every risk behind. Think about what happens the moment the recess bell rings, or when the final class ends. Out come the smartphones, the tablets, and the laptops. In that exact moment, the school map instantly expands. The campus reaches past physical walls, pushing straight into the cloud. We're suddenly dealing with massive, unseen spaces, dozens of active group chats, learning portals, social feeds, and gaming lobbies. You can't station a security guard inside a private messaging app, and you can't build an iron gate around a multiplayer server. Today's students navigate a sprawling, unpatrolled digital campus where traditional locks and monitors have no reach. With the campus expanding, we have to look closely at the behavior happening within it. Every choice made on a screen triggers a reaction in the real world, an invisible link between digital actions and physical consequences. It works in positive ways. A quick, supportive message typed on a phone can provide vital emotional relief to a classmate sitting alone in their living room miles away. The same link carries harm. A cruel joke in a group chat, an act of cyberbullying, or the sharing of a private photo causes a student's posture to slump and their anxiety to spike long after the school day ends. In the digital school, the screen is a window, not a shield. Online actions cross directly into reality, making digital safety a matter of real-world human well-being. Since physical barriers cannot patrol a group chat, we need to build a different kind of protective infrastructure. This starts with teachers. They set the boundaries for online classes and guide students toward responsible digital behavior. It continues with parents, who actively model and build healthy technology habits at home. School leaders step up by establishing clear, accessible channels where anyone can safely report digital concerns. And it relies on students making the active choice to support their peers and refuse to forward harmful content. This interconnected web of people replaces the concrete wall. By working together, students, teachers, parents, and leaders form a shared human firewall that protects the entire community. Protecting a modern school requires a shift in how we think about safety. While gates and walls provide a physical perimeter, they don't define the full boundary of student safety anymore. Safety today is a living culture, built through the collective, daily choices we make, both online and offline. The community creates this environment through shared behavior, transforming safety from a passive service into an active group responsibility. Maintaining this digital culture requires every community member to adopt a few clear principles. First, be respectful in all online interactions and stay responsible with your personal digital habits. Second, remain alert to unsafe content or threats and have the courage to speak up safely to a trusted adult. Whether you are a student, a parent, a teacher, or a school leader, you have the agency to build and protect your safe digital school.